Randy here with Retire with Options. I've had a few questions recently about why I actually roll positions. So I thought I'd go over some of the positions I've rolled and how that's working out. So back on June 15th, I rolled this MasterCard out because it was going to be probably in the money. So I bought the old option back at $12.48, and I sold the new option at $14.25. And we can see that right here, $14.23 was the average price of that option. And you can see within a couple of days that MasterCard, it has pulled up a little bit, and Time Decay is working on this option now. And the option is now worth $7. So I've made approximately $700 just for rolling this option in a matter of days. If I look at this 3M contract, you can see that I bought it back for $13.25, and I sold the new contract for $12.94, and it is currently at $8.26, or $4 or $5 just for rolling this contract. I did the same thing with the Microsoft contract. Let me see if I can find it. It's probably in my history and already rolled off, but I sold it at $10.40, and Time Decay is working on that contract, and it's now at $3.35. So this is really not dead money sitting out there. It's money that's actually letting Time Decay work on those contracts, and it turns a losing contract into a profitable contract. And this is the way you manage your options to your favor. There's really no reason ever to lose money on a put contract. It can always be sold and rebought for profits for the future. Again, I hope you like this, and if you do, like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and we'll talk to you soon.